What is your name?
My name is Kasmir Paul Pereira.
Coming from?
TV, Madhel.
Just tell me what was your problem?
My problem was the back pain.
From
And
when?
From the past 6 months, and also slight shoulder pain, but too much pain here.
Okay. So, how you came to know about our center?
I saw on the television, and that's how I came here. But before this, I went to Dr. A. He gave me painkillers, but no relief. I went to Dr. B. He gave me painkillers and injection, no relief. Then I decided to come here because the pain was too much. To get up from the bed, I used to feel frightened. But get up from the bed, I used to be in this position and go to the toilet also like this. Brush the teeth like this. When shaving, in this crooked position, shaving, all the water coming here. After some time, when the muscles relaxed, then I can stand up nicely.
This was regularly your story.
Yes, yes.
Then after coming here, what was your changes?
After coming here, from the first day when I came here, that night I felt relief. I could not get up without this help. I had to take this help to get up. But now I don't need any help. I can get up. I can sit up. There, to get up from the bed, there was that fear. Now there is no fear.
So about you got good sleep on there?
Yes, from that time now I am getting good sleep. In fact, last night, very good sleep.
So first day after treatment you came next day and you told me, doctor, first time after long time you got 2.5 hours sleep.
Yes.
That was the very good sign you told me.
Then next day I got about 5 hours sleep. Now the sleep is improving. Also the back pain is improving. Now I can bend.
Just show me?
Yes, I can bend like this.
Which was not possible before.
No. Before I used to get back pain, like catch. Now it is okay.
This is just within this 3 days treatment?
Yes, within 3-4 days. Today is the 5th day.
Okay. So what other changes you found?
I used to feel funny in the head. But from the second day, that funny feeling in the head, that's improved. And
it is there now or it disappeared?
no, now it's not there. Today it seems to be completely gone when I get up in the morning. I'm not getting that feeling. And also, doctor, today, that slight pain from the ear to the shoulder and too much pain here, that has gone. You are treating me for this.
Back.
But this has gone.
You got a lot of side benefits.
Yes.
That only what we trying to tell people.
Yes.
See, in the medicine what we take, we get a lot of side effects.
Yes.
Whereas after coming our treatment, all patients always tell us about lot of side benefits.
Yes.
So treating one thing, you get lot of other benefits.
Yes.
So like you got now lot of sensation, that funny sensation in the brain, that has gone.
Yes.
Your sleep is lot improved. Then your hand pain is gone.
Yes.
And secondly, one more, you told me something yesterday or today about testes or something.
Yes, there was pain when the pen touches the testis. It used to pain. So I used to wear the support, but still it pain. Now no pain.
No pain.
No pain.
So this testis pain was there from how many times?
This testis pain was there from long before.
Long before.
Yeah.
But that also is totally gone now.
Gone.
So you can understand, and because people should realize about things, like people like you telling about their experiences after 3-4 days of treatment.
Yes.
Because what we do is we do pulse diagnosis.
Yes.
And we do the internal research, what is the actual problem in your body.
Yes.
And we try to tackle those root cause.
Yes.
And when root cause is treated, you get all the thing, overall body improvement.
Yes.
Your health is getting totally overall improvement. That is a benefit in our center, because even in Chinese they do the symptomatic treatment. In my center I never believe in the symptomatic relief. Because if you want symptomatic relief, why you want to come here?
Yes.
You may get it with the painkillers also.
Yes.
So my research always in my center is we try to get your root cause and treat your root cause. So after treating your root cause, you get total internal benefit, and future that problem never occurs. That was what I have seen after this 22 years practice.
Oh.
That is one thing. And one more, you told me about the diabetes, something what you told me.
Yes. Diabetes has always been, because I go for running, skipping, I do pranayam, yogasan, and keep strict diet. My diabetes has been 100, 98, 96 like that. But yesterday I took some sugar, some bread pudding. It's got too much sugar, just to see. But this morning the diabetes is 103.
So after taking sugar also you found it is normal.
Yes.
So that also additional benefits you got.
Looks like.
Yeah, because what we do is we also started using the points on the back which are also controlling your kidney and other organs.
Yes.
So that also benefits you in all other controls.
I see.
So plus a lot of other homeostatic points like
Yeah.
which controls your body system,
Yes.
like your fatness, your weight, or your sugar level, your pressure. All these things are because of homeostasis. You get the normalization.
I see.
That is one more benefit of our center's research. Okay, so you are happy with our treatment now.
Very happy, and I suggest that the Mediclaim should come into this so that other people get the benefit. And also, doctor, I have taken your cards to give to my village, to tell the village what benefits I have got, and whatever problems they have, they should come here.
I will always call you whenever we are giving talks.
Yes.
We always give our lectures to the patient for health.
Yes.
That day we had our anniversary, second anniversary. Around 4 hours talk we have given.
Yes.
So there are a lot of health, how we can improve,
Health
or how we
benefits.
can take care of our health. That
Yeah.
type of lectures I give.
Yeah.
And that time patient they give their experiences. Whenever I call you, always you should come
I will
and tell
come.
people.
I will
Because
come.
such experiences and people like you are senior citizen
Yes.
who went talks.
Yes.
Everybody should believe that.
Yes. I am 79 years of age, and still I cycle.
Yeah, and sometimes the doubts are there in the patient
Yes.
that at this age can you get improvement?
Yes.
And you are the person you can tell that you are 79 years and how fast you are getting improvement.
Yes.
Because it body works. It is not the age factor. Plus in our center what we have seen, while treating, patient get again their young age, like they are healthy and activeness, everything is increases.
Yes, I feel very active.
Yeah.
And the awareness, the alertness, that also has improved.
So what you want to tell the people who don't believe this type of acupuncture, what needle will work? Because a lot of doubts in Goa,
Yes, yes.
Because we are in Goa, we are behind allopathy medicine from last 400 years after Portuguese rule and all, we are in the medicines.
Yes.
So without medicine, one can be treated, nobody can believe. From that level, we brought acupuncture to after 22 years to the people where everybody started believing now.
Yes.
Now, thing is that people should understand that what needle can do, and you and the people should tell other people that what are the benefits and what acupuncture can and how it works.
Yes, I will tell in my village and all my friends
Yeah.
all over in
Yeah.
Goa.
We also started now our programs on the TV 7 to 7:30 where we do lot of expense so that people should know and come in time.
Yes.
Because a lot of people come after lot of suffering, and from there we must treat them. It required time plus money involved is more, because lot of time is treatment is required. Whereas if the patients start coming in the starting condition, and also if the doctors recommend them in starting condition, then we can help those people in very short period and very less price and less cost.
Yes.
Because more machines and different type of equipments are not required if the patient come in the starting condition.
Yes. Yes.
So that we are trying to do because of that programs are displayed, what the cases we are treating, we try to display. But now the problem is there again that 7 o'clock program is going on, but nobody knows that there are programs on the TV.
Yeah, I am
That
watching
should be also what I feel, that also the churches and all other fathers and so many people should try to announce about this thing, and they should tell their people that this program at least they can see,
Yes.
so that then they can decide if they want to come, and they can come for the treatment in
No.
starting condition.
I will highly recommend
Yeah.
Dr. Prabhu's clinic for all these type of diseases.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Because today you told me, doctor, I want to speak something. So
Yes.
I was very happy
Yes.
that within just 4 days one patient is want to tell a lot of things.
Yes.
Thank you very much.
Yes. Thank
Okay.
you also.
Okay, bye.
And God bless you.
Okay, bye.